So welcome everyone to today's video. In this video, we are going to felicitate Manisha Asrani for becoming the dream superstar of our community. So congratulations, Manisha. You have been awarded as the Dream Superstar Award because not only you have manifested one dream, but you have manifested four biggest dreams in all areas of your life. You have manifested your health dream, your relationship dream, in career dream, and wealth dream. So now we'll begin this interview. And first of all, I will mention what are the achievements that Manisha has achieved in the span of just 3 months, in the last 3 months. And then we will discuss कि how she has achieved all these dreams, कि उन्होंने ये सारे सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए कौन से स्ट्रेटेजी अप्लाई किया और कहाँ पे वो थे उनकी जर्नी में. So once again, congratulations, Manisha. Very happy for you. And I can see the smile on your face, how you have magically transformed yourself just in the span of 3 months after joining our community. So starting with your health dream, like previously, before you joined our community, you are having a lot of past traumas. There was a lot of internal chatter going on inside your mind. And after you joined our community, you started healing yourself. You healed a lot of things within yourselves. So I would like you to share some of your background story, like how you transformed your mental health, your physical health. So yes, Manisha, you can go on.
Thank you so much. It's such an honor and a joy to be here आपके साथ and इस community का part होने के लिए. So thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
मेरी health journey 2018 से start होती where I started having health problems because बहुत uncontrollable anxiety होती थी मुझे and that was primarily due to pressures of work. I'm an MBBS graduate. मैंने अपना MBBS studies finish किया तो the amount of work we do in the hospital बाहर एग्जाम्स कॉन्स्टेंटली रहता था तो जैसे आपने मेंशन किया वो माइंड चैटर इतना रहता था कि मेरा माइंड बॉडी कनेक्शन बहुत सिवियरली बिगड़ गया था. आई गॉट ऑल्सो गॉट डायग्नोस्ड विद IBS. तो मुझे इरिटेबल बाउल भी था जिसकी वजह से मुझे कभी कभी कॉन्स्टिपेशन कभी डायरिया एंड साथ साथ में the anxious thoughts constantly regarding even health was an addition thing to think about, you know.
Yeah.
तो वो चीज जैसे ही चालू हुई that was a wake up call for me to have a inventory of my life कि there's something wrong that I'm doing because there are students who are doing MBBS, there are students who are excelling as well, and there are students who are anxious and depressed like me as well. So if both exist, there must be something that the students that are excelling must be doing, right? So that's what I started thinking about, and I got introduced to spirituality and meditation in 2018. So मेरी journey regarding self discovery start हुई थी 2018 में. उसके पहले भी I used to feel that I need to have a deeper understanding of who I am, but societal pressures to have a career, to do certain things in a certain way की वजह से वो voice को मैंने अपने आप को इतना दबा दिया था कि अपनी inner calling को मैं honor नहीं कर पाई. But जब हम डॉक्टर के पास गए and he said that you probably have IBS and you have to take a lot of care of your health, and I had put on weight also. I was overweight when I got into medical college. So all of that got me thinking into I'm doing something wrong. एंड उस जैसे ही ये रियलाइजेशन हुई हमको कोविड के लिए हमारा सब कुछ बंद हो गया था स्कूल्स. सो आई गॉट दैट इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव पीरियड टू एक्चुअली रीस्टार्ट माय लाइफ. तो इनिशियली स्पिरिचुअलिटी मेडिटेशन से मेरा मेंटल हेल्थ बहुत इंप्रूव हुआ. बट जैसे आपको पता है मैं आपके पास कम्युनिटी में आई थी. आई entered the same loop of you know same loop of anxious thoughts and bad health because मैं इवन तो स्पिरिचुअलिटी में एक बहुत नॉविस तरीके से घुसी थी. मुझे करेक्ट रूल्स एंड गाइडेंस नहीं थी. एंड द फैक्ट दैट आई गॉट द गाइडेंस ऑन हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ माय लाइफ एंड हाउ टू डील विद डिफरेंट ट्रॉमास, each time that change, even though I have faced the same life pressures, is sustained. Wow. I was not able to sustain the change that I brought in my life by myself, and that is how I realized that I probably need a mentor or someone to guide me. I remember that things got so out of hand for me that I just put my hands up in the air and thought, God help me. And I ended up on your YouTube channel. That is how I thought that this would be a very good way for me to restart my life again. So that's how I joined your community.
Lovely, Manisha. So tell me, like before you joined our community, lot of times there were so many past traumas in your own life, in your inner child traumas, and because of which you are not able to focus on your life. You are feeling very stressed out. Like your energy was also getting drained because of that overthinking. But during this last 3 months, when you started healing yourself, you realized like how your energy levels increased, and now how you are able to completely feel neutral when you think about your past
Mm.
traumas. So
Uh,
yeah.
yes. So regarding this, a very important thing that I noticed started happening when I started healing is that the same situations did come in my life. So I would still bump into the same old people who had traumatized me, or places that I feel very left out, alone. But I realized कि since, as you said, that wounds इतने अच्छे तरीके से heal हो गए थे, it did not evoke an emotional reaction in my body. I was
Wow.
finally at peace at what had happened, accepted it, and moved on so that I could go to the same places, interact with the same people, but as a different person.
Yes, absolutely, Manisha. Wow. So do you think like healing was a very important factor in your transformational journey? Like, what would you like to say for others when it comes to healing, especially when it comes to mental health?
Yes, I think healing was very important because it gave me the required perspective that was needed. Because often when we are stressed, we do not have the right guidance and perspective, nor can we take the right action when we get the right guidance and perspective. So
Yes.
इसमें ऐसा होता है ना कि you're out in the ocean, and if you're not calm, you cannot swim, you will drown.
Absolutely.
And that is what was
Wow.
happening with me.
Lovely. That was really deep, Manisha. Absolutely. Because when we are not very clear with ourselves, we cannot take actions
Mm.
also.
Yeah.
Great. So next, you have manifested your soulmate. So congratulations, Manisha. Within a span of 3 months, you manifested your soulmate, your life partner, and that is indeed a very big achievement. And that too, it was very effortless for you. Like आपने इतना ज़्यादा कोई मेहनत नहीं किया. So please share your journey.
Um, it was not effortless. It was effortless in the moment because
Yes.
I'd made a promise to myself that I want to date, but I would only date if there were certain things that I would find in our life partner. Until and unless if there is no match, I wouldn't settle, and I wouldn't do that ki nahi, just for the sake of it, that all my friends are getting married or all
Yes.
my friends are in relationships. A lot of times I used to get made fun of कि
Hmm.
you are 24, you're turning 25, कि एक तो पेरेंट्स का प्रेशर कई बार होता है,
हाँ.
ओल्डर पीपल का होता है कि हम तो इस उम्र में बच्चे बन गए. You were born at this time when we were at this age.
Yeah.
And there are peers, because a lot of them do that. They have flings, or they have their own relationships that are not defined. And I knew mere value system mein I do not do that. That
Right.
if I do find a partner, I would want to be all in or not at all. So I would be open to dating, but I would be firm with my boundaries as well. And that is what healing helped with. Because when you're not healed, you kind of settle for anything, and you're okay with any treatment because you do not know
Yes.
your worth.
Absolutely.
So I went on multiple dates during the time I found my partner, and I was very able to clearly distinguish that he was the one for me, while others did not certify and satisfy criteria, and I very peacefully let them go. So there was
Wow.
no bad blood. I had a very hard history when it came to dating,
Yes.
but there is perseverance and there is faith that that one person. I was very ambitious in my faith since I was young,
Yes.
that there is this one person, or there is someone that I know that when God brings that person in my life, it will be effortless, and I'll know that this is it. So I
Yeah.
know that when I met that person on the first date, I'd had this feeling of calm in my body. I was completely
Wow.
relaxed, and everything just flowed.
Really very happy for you, Manisha. But can you tell us like what was the turning point? Like what was missing before this, before you joined our community? Do you think it was like there was a lack of clarity in exactly what you are seeking in life?
I did not have a lack of clarity, but I did not understand energy. So my yin energy was very damaged. So I know the current partner that wouldn't have attracted him in my life if my yin energy was the same as before. So
Hmm.
the fact that I worked on balancing my yin and yang, my yang energy was very high, because I've been a good student, I've been a performer in
Yeah.
school, I've excelled in academics and sports. And since we live in a world wherein we're surrounded by men as women at along a
Yes.
lot of times, to survive, we have to develop that yang energy in our careers. And that is a very acceptable way to be, to being in a system
Absolutely.
that is designed that way. But I
Yes.
didn't realize that while I was developing my yang energy, I had foregone my yin energy and my natural nature. I was always very happy, fun loving. I used to love spending time in nature outside or just doing things that a woman usually does for their self-care. I'd started to look them down, down upon them, almost as a point of self-hatred as a woman. And the thing is, in my family also, we had a lot of misogynistic ingrained programming that
Yes.
women are bad,
Right.
boys are good, you should have sons, you should not have daughters. So you kind of,
Hmm.
my grandmom had this in her. She gave it to my mother when she got married,
Yeah.
that, you should only have a son. We have two daughters in the family. And my mother passed it down to us.
Right.
So it was not anybody's fault per se, but nobody was aware that what we're thinking and what we have been taught is wrong
Yeah. So
until
basically, you healed
unless,
your generational traumas.
yes.
Yeah. Right. And how did it help you to understand your personality type? Like, did it really help you to choose the right partner for you?
Yes, I've always find that our personalities are such a great window into who we are, at least how we function in our daily lives. And compatibility के लिए personality compatibility hona is very important because
Yeah.
at the end you're going to spend your life with that person, right? You
Absolutely.
do it with that goal. So when I got to know about my personality type that I am an ENFJ and
Yeah.
how my main problem is not having boundaries, I understood 90% of my problems got solved when I introspected ki what am I doing in a particular situation that is draining me, and I am just doing it out of compulsion, out of poor boundaries. So I healed that core issue. Plus, I had boundaries because I understood that this is a common weak point for ENFJs. So I was able
Yes.
to find balance within.
Right. Right. So did it help you to gain a lot of clarity when you understood your personality type? Like you are an INFJ, these are your cognitive functions, and this is how you function, and exactly what you need in a life partner, and what are the people with whom you will not gel very freely. So that's great, Manisha. I'm feeling so happy because you really created magic within a very short span of time after understanding all these things, and you implemented things really fast. Yes. So this was her second biggest dream that she manifested. The third biggest dream is she got chosen for the master program in Harvard University, USA. So a very big congratulations, Manisha, and super duper proud of you. Like getting into Harvard, it's like a dream for every single person in this world. And she manifested this dream. So please, Manisha, you can share your journey and tell us like how it helped you.
So this is again around. I just gotten into medical school, and uh, I'd, I'd request everyone to, have a look into their desires. Often our desires are very clear. Ki, I want to go to Harvard. But in my case, it wasn't a very clear desire. It was actually jealousy when a classmate of mine got accepted in a big university. And I started thinking, why would I be jealous of somebody if I do not want that? Because मैं denial में थी कि नहीं नहीं ये सब बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी में जाना है, ये सब
Hmm.
दिखावा होता है, this and that.
Hmm.
मैं थोड़े टाइम में तो denial में थी कि this is not my
Right.
desire. But I sat with myself because वो feeling बहुत strong थी of being envious and jealous of somebody who I shared school with. So I thought कि this is probably a very hidden desire in me that I do not think I am worth of it right now. So I
Hmm.
am making bahane and making excuses to reject it.
Hmm.
तो जैसे ही मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि नहीं ये भी मेरा एक सबकॉन्शियस डिजायर है कि मुझे भी जाना है या मुझे भी इतना बड़ा सॉर्ट ऑफ अचीवमेंट के लिए एटलीस्ट स्ट्राइव करना है टू हैव दैट
Hmm.
ड्रीम बिकॉज स्कूल में भी आई डिड नॉट हैव अ वेरी बिग ड्रीम जिसकी वजह से यू गेट अ पुल और यू गेट अ कॉलिंग
Right.
एंड अराउंड 2017 18 में जब मुझे ये रियलाइजेशन हुआ कि हाँ ये शायद मेरा डिजायर है तभी भी वो ड्यू टू सर्कमस्टांसेस ड्यू टू नॉट मेरा एवोल्यूशन भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ था.
Hmm.
So I was still not confident in my uh, abilities, but universe had heard ki she's at least realized that there's a desire. So in the next 3 to 4 years, I went on to do a lot of things based on my intuitive nudges. I acted upon opportunities that actually ended up making my profile a very strong profile for a candidate for the masters. So वो जो
Okay.
intuitive nudges थे, they actually prepared me for this final destination.
Okay.
वो एट द सेम टाइम जब वो सब चीजें हो रही थी तब मुझे पता नहीं था कि दिस इज प्रिपेयरिंग मी फॉर हार्डवर्ड कि जब मेरे प्रोग्राम डायरेक्टर से मैं बात करूंगी तो वो मेरे सीवी के ये पोर्शन को देख के पूछेंगे, दे बी इम्प्रेस्ड कि एट सच ए यंग एज यू डिड दिस. बट एट दैट टाइम आई जस्ट न्यू कि मुझे ऐसे गट फीलिंग आ रही है कि लेट्स डू दिस. सो आई जस्ट फॉलोड माई गट फीलिंग एंड माई इंट्यूटिव नजेस एंड आई वर्कड हार्ड. एंड दैट इज एक्चुअली व्हाट लेड टू द अल्टीमेट dream
Wow,
fulfillment and desire fulfillment.
lovely. So tell me, Manisha, after joining this community, how it helped you in this process? Like, did it help you to, speed up the whole process of manifestation?
Yes. I remember जब application prepare करना था, I had so much old worries and wounds coming up. Ki, can I do it? Because it's moving to a different country. Am I even worthy? All of the things were coming up. You know,
Yeah,
a lot of times these are
self-doubt.
universe ka way of testing. Do you really want it? Can you
Right,
move past your fear or not?
right.
So at that time, just because your community में थी, I used to get on calls with you and we used to do healing exercises. Either it would be Ho'oponopono करना है,
Yeah,
या we're doing quantum healing. At that moment, जब वो moment of relaxation and clarity आता है कि I want to give it a shot. I do not care about the outcome anymore, but I want to at least submit my application, because submitting an
mm,
application is also a very big thing. So you
absolutely.
kind of, instead of focusing on too big of a picture, I zoomed it small, छोटा छोटा, one step at a time, and every day को process को भी enjoy करते करते खुशी से I did it, and I did not even realize how everything fell into its right place.
Right place, absolutely. And Manisha, I could remember like when we were getting onto our one-on-one call, the NLP techniques that we used, it really helped you a lot.
Yes. I think a major change जो इतना ज्यादा फास्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ was through NLP techniques, because वो anchors जो हमने सेट किए थे, they
हाँ,
were, since they used to trigger a physiological response इतना fast in the body कि even if I'm, for example, in the kitchen and मेरे को एक ऐसे negative thought आ रहा है, I knew I could use my anchor to calm myself down instantly.
yes.
सो उस चीज की वजह से भी बहुत ज्यादा स्पीड अप हुआ, बिकॉज अदर
हाँ,
टेक्निक्स, इवन दो आई लव होपोनोपो, इट टेक्स टाइम. आप एक पूरा कॉन्वर्सेशनल होपोनोपो करो, इट टेक्स टाइम. बट
बिल्कुल।
एनएलपी टेक्निक में इट यूज टू बी फास्ट, इंस्टेंटेनियस.
Instant.
आई यूज टू कीप डूइंग इट, एंड वो बोलते हैं ना, वो हमारा मसल ट्रेन होता जाता है, तो वो
हाँ,
एनएलपी एंकर स्ट्रांग होता गया. तो इवन दो after a while I don't have to even think of the I don't have to utilize the anchor. I can just think of that feeling and I can get into that state,
wow,
because
Manisha.
it got so repetitive and it got so ingrained in my body, the sense of relaxation and the sense of calm.
Absolutely. And it also helped you to become more productive, more efficient,
Yes.
and more
Yes.
calm, basically, more peaceful. But I must say, it's very impressive that you were really working hard on yourself to, achieve your goals, to manifest your goals. Because there are many people, they learn a lot of things, but they fail to implement it. But I must say, you are a very awesome implementer. You really implemented things very fastly, very quickly. And that is one of the biggest reasons why you are able to achieve this success. So
Thank
awesome,
you so much.
Manisha. Yeah, you're most welcome. And the last dream that she manifested in the area of wealth and money, she also manifested a grant. Yeah, please share your, money dream that you manifested, Manisha.
Thank you. What While I was doing all these extracurricular activities, as I said, कि मुझे intuitive nudges आ रहे थे कि take this opportunity. So the one big opportunity that came to me was being a part of an international organization that focuses on listening. Now, अगर मुझे अपनी लाइफ की स्टोरी एक वर्ड में पता नहीं हो ना, तो one thing that I do very good is listen to people. ये चीज मुझे reiterate की गई है बचपन में. A part of this is because of my traumatic upbringing. I knew that I had to listen to people so that I could be safe. It was my personality type as well, because ENFJs are warm, caring, and
Yeah.
a lot of times these are female traits as well. yin energy भी यही होती है. So
Hmm.
ये जो मेरी इनबॉर्न नेचुरल चीज थी मेरी, आई नेवर अंडरस्टूड कि मैं इस चीज को लेके आगे कैसे बढ़ूं, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स हमारे गिफ्ट्स कैन गो अगेंस्ट अस आल्सो. तो
Right.
हम सुन रहे हैं, आई एम लिसनिंग टू पीपल, बट दे माइट बी पीपल हु डू नॉट डिजर्व दैट स्पेस येट.
Right.
But इसमें एक ब्यूटीफुल चीज क्या हुई कि जैसे मैंने ये चीज, तो मैंने बहुत टाइम तक है ना लिसनिंग को कोसा कि ये तेरी एबिलिटी की वजह से तेरे को ट्रॉमेटाइज किया जा रहा है, कि
हम्म
तेरे वजह से लोग फायदा उठा रहे हैं।
हम्म
I stopped, I just hid that part of myself, उसको बरी कर दिया कि हमको अभी किसी की सुननी ही नहीं है। हाउ डू आई केयर कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है या क्या है, नहीं, आई डू नॉट केयर। तो इसमें क्या हो गया, आई वेंट अगेंस्ट माई नेचर, तो आई वॉज वेरी अनफुलफिल्ड ऑल्सो। एंड सिंस लिसनिंग इज अ कोर पार्ट ऑफ हु आई एम, आई न्यू कि हॉस्पिटल में भी सेम चीजें हो रही थी, क्यों ना, व्हेन वी इंटरेक्ट विद पेशेंट्स एंड पियर्स, तो उधर भी
yes
लिसनिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था। तो मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली कि यू डिजाइन योर ओन प्रोजेक्ट, इंटरनेशनल लिसनिंग एसोसिएशन के साथ यू डिजाइन योर ओन प्रोजेक्ट, जिसमें तुम लिसनिंग स्किल्स ट्रेनिंग दे सकते हो मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स को। तो वो जब डिसीजन लेना था ना कि शुड आई टेक दिस
हम्म
अपॉर्चुनिटी के प्रोजेक्ट डिजाइन करने के लिए, दैट वाज आल्सो हार्ड डिसीजन बिकॉज मेरा पढ़ाई का स्ट्रेस बहुत था, बट वो
हम्म
इंट्यूटिव नज नहीं जा रहा था कि
हम्म
टेक इट टेक इट टेक इट। So within 1 month of me taking that opportunity and working towards it, 1 year later, I actually got a grant of $160 to
wow
actually get it started as the initial funding. So now on वो project on paper से अभी actually in person चालू हो गया है. I actually have a
congratulations
session on 18th May
yeah
scheduled for tomorrow,
wow
and we're going to have at least minimum 150 students with the first organization I'm collaborating with.
wow
So it's such a great joy to have that part of my purpose also being realized, because वो ड्रीम जाता नहीं है, irrespective of what I do, I know that I मेरा path ये है। तो उस
right
चीज को भी मैनिफेस्ट करना कि आई हैव मॉनेटरी सपोर्ट टू एटलीस्ट स्टार्टेड ऑन अ स्मॉल स्केल इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर मी।
very big thing for you. Awesome, Manisha. Really, congratulations. Like how you created so much of magic just within a span of 3 months. You joined our community, I remember, in the first week of January or in the last week of December,
Yeah.
I think. Yeah. And today is May, but within March, you already manifested all of these dreams. Only your Howard, you got this Howard letter in the month of April. Great, Manisha. So tell us, like, if someone has to manifest dreams like you with this super
Hmm.
lightning speed, so
Hmm.
what are the tips would you like to say to any other person, even though they are very hardworking, they are disciplined, but any other tips would you like to share with them, like what really helped you, some subconscious tips that can help people?
Be true to yourself. My idea seems very out of whack because it is not being done with other people. But if you keep at it, and if it is a true passion, you will find a way to do it. I'm not saying that you do not listen to anybody, but अपने इंट्यूशन और फियर को डिस्टिंग्विश करके अपने इंट्यूशन के साथ काम करोगे, इट विल अनलॉक अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज
Hmm.
that will bring true fulfillment for you.
Yes, and for that is healing is very important,
Very
connecting with your
important.
yourself.
यस यस, बिकॉज हीलिंग से वो फर्क पता चल जाता है कि इंट्यूटिव नज क्या है एंड फियर बेस्ड कंडीशनिंग क्या है। हीलिंग ने की जाती है तो हमको बहुत लिमिटेड माइंडसेट रहता है हर चीज का, कि ओनली दिस इज पॉसिबल, बिकॉज मेरे पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस ने मुझे ये सिखाया है कि इतना ही हो सकता है। तो
Hmm.
अगर मेरे पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस में मैं 1 किलोमीटर चली हूँ एक दिन में, तो मैं उतना ही चल सकती हूँ। बट हीलिंग से एक ग्रोथ माइंडसेट जो आता है हीलिंग के साथ, उससे आप समझ सकते हो कि आप 1.5 किलोमीटर भी पुश कर सकते हो,
Yes,
अगली बार आप 2 किलोमीटर जा सकते हो। तो
absolutely.
मैनिफेस्टिंग में भी यही है कि आपका मसल डेवलप होता है, आपको छोटी विंस मिलती है, यू कीप ऑन गोइंग। एंड इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट हैविंग अ बैलेंस्ड व्यू। अगर आपको कोई चीज नहीं मिलती है तो इट इज मेंट टू नॉट हैपन। आई हैड
Hmm.
प्लान्ड मेरे 2 big exams to be taken in the past 1 year. They did not happen, but I realized that अगर ये मैं हीलिंग नहीं करती तो मैं एग्जाम तो दूर की बात है, मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पाती। एंड दैट वाज द यूनिवर्स's way of saying that I want you to pass this exam, but you can only pass this exam if you heal yourself and if you focus on other things right now. तो हर
Exactly.
चीज का टाइम होता है। इफ यू गेट रिजेक्टेड, डू नॉट गिव अप होप एंड थिंक दैट वो आपका ड्रीम नहीं है। you have to be very clear in who you are, if it is a rejection or a redirection. I know मेरे लिए
Yes.
ये redirection था, कईयों के लिए rejection होता है, तो अगर आपके लिए rejection है तो know that there is something better in store for you.
Yeah. And second thing is faith. Like, tell me how your faith improved in the last 3 months.
I think I was born with a sense of faith, बचपन से ही प्रे करना है, रिचुअल्स करने हैं. आई वॉज बॉर्न विद दैट, बट बिकमिंग अ वुमेन इन साइंस, वो पार्ट अगेन मेरा पीछे चला गया. इट्स नॉट साइंटिफिक, यू नो. प्रे
हम्म.
करने से तो क्या ही होता है.
राइट.
ये तो अंधविश्वास है वाली चीज है.
लोग
बट
प्रूफ मांगते हैं कि
लोग प्रूफ
भगवान कहाँ पे
मांगते
है.
हैं
यस.
भगवान कहाँ पे है.
हम्म.
तो उस चीज के लिए मैं कहना चाहूंगी कि दिस इज अगेन हीलिंग से मैं अपने रियल कोर पे आ पाई कि देयर वाज फेथ. दैट इज वाई वो रास्ता निकला, दैट इज वाई मैं एक्शन ले पाई, दैट इज वाई ये चीजें मैनिफेस्ट हो गई. बिकॉज रियलिस्टिकली देखने जाओ तो ये सारी चीजें शायद नहीं होनी चाहिए थी. आई रिमेम्बर टॉकिंग टू माई मेंटर, जिन जिन ग्रांट मिलने के बाद.
हम्म.
एंड मेरे मेंटर ने एक्चुअली जो ग्रांट कमिटी है उनको वो जानते थे, एंड ही हैड पुश्ड द ग्रांट कमिटी कि इतने सालों से ये पैसा पड़ा है, अब बच्चों को क्यों नहीं देते.
हम्म.
तो I was praying for a way to make this happen कि I cannot take money from my dad anymore, and I did not have a way कि मैं कैसे स्टार्ट करूं. मेरे को पैसे तो चाहिए एक
राइट.
जूम सब्सक्रिप्शन के लिए या किसी भी चीज के लिए. मेरे को
एब्सोल्युटली.
पोस्टर्स बनाने, आई नीड मनी टू
बिल्कुल.
गेट इट स्टार्टेड. एज अ स्टूडेंट व्हाट डू आई डू. एंड आई
डेफिनेटली.
न्यू कि फादर को नहीं, बट जस्ट बिकॉज आई पुट आउट दैट डिजायर एंड आई हैड फेट कि चलो कुछ ना कुछ मैं जुगाड़ कर लूंगी, कुछ रास्ता
हम्म.
निकलेगा. बिहाइंड द सीन्स काम हो रहा था. मेरे
हाँ.
मेंटर बात कर रहे थे, उधर से एप्लीकेशन आ गई, मैंने एप्लीकेशन भरी और मुझे मिल गया. तो बिहाइंड द सीन्स आपके लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है आपके फेवर में, आपको नहीं पता.
एग्जैक्टली. We live in this world of magic, and faith is
या
all you need to believe in the power of magic.
एग्जैक्टली.
And would you like to share like visualization? आप आपने विजुअलाइज किया ये सारी चीजें, इसलिए ये सारी चीजें इजीली हो पाई. हमारी कम्युनिटी में जितने भी इनर सर्कल कॉल्स हुए जहाँ पे हम ये विजुअलाइजेशन प्रैक्टिसेस करते थे, एंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स डिड इट रियली हेल्प यू?
यस. आई थिंक विजुअलाइज करने से आपको वो जो सेंस ऑफ प्रूफ चाहिए होता है फेथ के लिए,
हम्म.
वो मिल जाता है. क्योंकि इफ यू कैन
यस.
सी इट, यू बिलीव इट, एंड यू कैन अचीव इट.
राइट.
तो आई थिंक विजुअलाइज करना इन सेंस मेरा पर्सनालिटी टाइप में एंड मेरा सेंस ऑफ हाउ सेंसरी पर्सपेक्शन, मेरा वीएके में मेरा
हम्म.
विजुअल एस्पेक्ट इज
विजुअल.
वेरी एक्टिव.
राइट.
तो इट हेल्प मी इवन मोर टू डू इट.
Awesome, Manisha. Very happy for you. So congratulations, Manisha, once again for winning the Dream Superstar Award. And she is actually a champion, and she's an inspiration for many of us. So thank you very much, Manisha. And that's it in this video. If you like this video, please like this video and share it with people so that you can inspire your friends and family members. And do share your comments, do share your learnings in the comments. I would love to read your comments. Thank you so much once again, and see you soon in the next video.